Hi, Hazel. I have another book for you. This one is a classic. It's called Goodnight Moon. This is a really old book. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of the cow jumping over the moon. And there were 3 little bears sitting on chairs. And 2 little kittens and a pair of mittens. And a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush and a quiet old lady who was whispering, "Hush." Good night, room. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, kittens, and good night, mittens. And good night, clocks, and good night, socks. Good night, little house, and good night, mouse. Good night, comb. Good night, brush. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. Good night to the old lady, whispering, "Hush." Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. Good night, Hazel. I love you.